If you have tomatoes and tuna at home, make this recipe. Everyone will love it. To begin, we'll slice one tomato. In a pan, let's put some olive oil and spread it. Then we'll fry the tomato. In a bowl, let's put 4 eggs, salt, pepper, and whisk. We'll add oregano and half a can of tuna. Let's pour this mixture over the tomatoes and add grated mozzarella. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. We'll cover the pan for a while. And our recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!